Hello, my name is Deborah Schaefer. I'm an independent consultant for the PCLaw software. I am going to talk to you right now about entering general ledger journal entries. At the end of the year, it is very, very common for your accountant to give you journal entries that you have to record. Typically, those journal entries are for maybe mispostings, items that you may have actually put in the wrong category, maybe a depreciation, amortization, maybe to clean out the capital accounts for the draws. Whatever the entries are for, the accountant is going to give you a list of entries that are going to have account numbers with debits and credits. In order to enter, the place to enter those journal entries is under GL, General Journal, GL Adjustment. So in most cases, the entries have a year-end date. And the journal reference can be whatever you want it to do. Sometimes what I do is I put the year and then I might put 01 or whatever, however the accountant identifies. It might even be year end. You don't get a lot of characters here, so you have to be careful. You only get these 5 characters. So use a designation that makes sense to you. When the accountant typically provides you with a journal entry, they give you an explanation to reallocate, to record depreciation, and that's what you would type in the explanation. Then the accountant is going to give you the GL account number, so you would put in whatever GL account number it is. You should never do a journal entry to a cash account. Any adjustments that need to be done on a cash account should be done through a check or a receipt. So if I were to find my accumulated depreciation account, so you can see depreciation fixed assets, $150, and then typically the other side of this goes to a depreciation expense. And I don't remember numbers so very well, so I sort by the name. You'll see that I just clicked on account name and it sorted it by name. And then here is my credit. So you cannot save a journal entry until your debits and credits are equal and the balance is 0. So you want to be sure that that is the way, or else you can't save the entry. And I can put in here to record depreciation. You can spell check it even as well, okay? And then you click OK, and it will say you change the reference number. That's your choice if you want to reset it or not. And there is your entry. So all journal entries get entered into PCLaw through GL, General Journal, GL Adjustment. Now you will notice that you do have the ability to correct journal entries. This will show you all of the GL entries that you've done. You just open it up. As long as the period is still open, that month is still open, you can correct a journal entry. Okay. You also have the ability to print a report of all of your journal entries. And perhaps you may want to just do the journal entries in one particular time frame so that you can match it to the information that the accountant has given you, and just to show that you've done those journal entries. So that is how you record journal entries in PCLaw. My name is Deborah Schaefer. Thank you for your attention.